When you are looking for the best aftershave to keep your skin looking and feeling its best, you want something that will give you long-term result. Not only that, but you also want something that won't leave your skin feeling dry or irritated. In this video, I will review the top 7 best aftershaves for men. You will find out which one is perfect for you. So keep watching this video. Number 7. HERMÈS Terre de HERMÈS Aftershave Balm. If you're looking for an aftershave that does more than just prevent nicks and cuts, this one from HERMÈS is certainly noteworthy. Think of it like the cousin to the Terre de HERMÈS fragrance, but in aftershave form, offering another way to wear the signature scent that will keep the earthy, woody aroma alive and strong throughout your day. But just as important as what's inside the formula is what isn't: synthetic fragrance, colorants, and parabens. You won't find any stinging or burning with this formula. Just a decadently scented soother that will keep skin clear and free of redness and irritation. The hydrating balm provides skin with a burst of rejuvenation post-shave and is scented with vetiver, green bergamot, and Sichuan peppers to make you feel one with nature even when you are working a 9 to 5. Number 6. Ralph Lauren Men's Polo Blue Aftershave Splash. If you are more of an aftershave splash dude, add this one from Ralph Lauren to your lineup. Housed in a minimalistic glass blue bottle with the iconic Ralph Lauren Polo logo, this formula is more lightweight than your standard aftershave balms and lotions. Perfect for guys who are looking for a cooling, refreshing formula that has a subtle concentration of fragrance, and for those with oily skin types. The aftershave is soothing to the skin and moisturizes the face after application. This is perhaps not the best options for those with sensitive skin. This aftershave relies on Lotion and extract from the comfrey plant to hydrate and calm irritated skin. And if you're strapped for time, you can double up and use it as an all-over body spray. Genius. Number 5. Aramis Men's Aftershave. A favorite among loyalists and newbies alike, Aramis Aftershave has proven to be worthy of its cult favorite status. The liquid formula fuses patchouli, amber, and musk with notes of bergamot, cumin, and jasmine for an earthy yet refreshing scent that will soothe more than just your razor burns. It's a delight for your senses too. Plus, its plastic bottle makes it travel-friendly. This particular lotion protects the skin, creating a soothing effect after application. However, while this is an excellent addition to most shaving routine, avoid it if you have a reaction to alcohol. This is an alcohol-free cooling and refreshing mist that is perfect for anyone looking for a simple yet hydrating post-shave product. It is gentle and nourishing to the face and even contains antibacterial agents that help protect facial skin. Number 4. Dior Sauvage Aftershave Lotion. This is a fresh, subtly scented aftershave lotion that comes in a splash bottle and will leave your face feeling refreshed. Its strong scent emboldens the senses, leaving a lasting impression on those who you encounter. Leave it to Dior to formulate a skin-balancing aftershave lotion that delivers a refreshing cologne-like scent that also fades off any irritation that can stem from shaving. For the guys who like pairing their aftershave with a cologne, Dior has made things easy for you, offering the best scent in cologne from so that you can round out your Sauvage regimen. Either way, your skin will be happy and clean and smelling good all day. This particular balm soothes, stimulates, and conditions the skin as it settles on your face. It will be particularly enticing to those who want a fresh smell after shaving. Number 3. Jean Paul Gaultier Men's La Mille Soothing Alcohol-Free Aftershave Balm. Lavender and mint is always a winning combination, but when you add vanilla to the mix, it goes over the top, creating an aroma that is equal parts fresh, warm, and refreshing. That's just what the folks at Jean Paul Gaultier intended to do with this expertly crafted aftershave balm. Suited for parched skin types, the product effectively evoked that soft, clean feeling your skin craves post-shave. The balm itself absorbs easily, reduces sign of aging, and contains a noteworthy masculine aroma. This product does not contain harsh ingredients such as alcohol, so it is ideal for those with sensitive skin. And if you happen to be a sloppy shaver, rest assured that this aftershave balm won't sting your skin since it contains no alcohol. Instead, your skin will feel immediate relief and will be lightly scented. Number 2. Claus Porto Musgo Real Aftershave Balm. If you are not want to skimp on luxury, you will find Claus calls Porto's quick absorbing aftershave balm worthy of being part of your grooming kit. Highlighting the moisturizing properties of shea butter, almond oil, and jojoba oil, it has a unique ability to hydrate the skin without leaving behind a greasy residue. Rather, it leaves behind a protective layer that nourishes the skin and allows for all-day hydration. However, this aftershave made this list because of its ability to leave your face smooth and revitalized after shaving. Not only that, but it leaves a bold, masculine scent that will help you start your day and the right way. The balm is scented with all things woody and warm by way of vetiver, patchouli, tonka, and vanilla. You won't be able to resist this one. Number 1. The art of shaving aftershave balm. If post-shave irritation is your grip, you might want to seek out an aftershave with skin soothers that will help prevent and treat razor burn. Dermatologist says that people with sensitive skin should not only avoid alcohol-based formulas that can dry out their skin, but also stay away from fragrances and irritants like menthol and lemon oil, which can cause breakouts and redness. At $11.50 per ounce, this art of shaving balm is slightly less expensive, and since it's alcohol-free and contains skin plumping shea butter and essential oils, shea butter is a superhero when it comes to moisturizing dry skin, and we think it feels luxurious too. It also has a blend of anti-inflammatory and antiseptic essential oils like birchwood, sap, and rosemary that will kill bacteria and soothe your skin.